Welcome to a junior 3-bedroom here at South Yards. They start at 835 square feet for $924,900. So let's go look and see what it's all about. They have quartz countertops, and this one has the marble edge going down the side. Nice presentation. You have a deep mounted sink, barrière faucets. You have your dishwasher right here. There is the Fulgor Milano cooktop with the oven right below. Plenty of counter space here to cook. We have European style laminate cabinets with soft close, under counter lighting. I love this quartz in behind and the quartz on top. You have a built-in fridge and freezer down below, fridge with plenty of storage, and a large freezer. While the junior 3-bedroom obviously has 3 bedrooms. We got a primary bedroom right here. The primary bathroom has nickel-plated fixtures, porcelain tile wall all the way up. Great shower space. Secondary bedroom. Third one right at the front. Here come with room to put seating area, barbecue, and the views are fantastic.